Welcome back, friends. So let's see how to download and install and successfully create an Alipay account step-by-step tutorial. All right. So the first thing you want to do is to make sure you click on your Google Chrome right here. After you open up your Google Chrome, next thing you want to do is to make use of the address bar right here. Then you have to type in Alipay download APK. So you can see it right here. Then just type in Alipay download APK. Then click on search. So you are going to be presented with variety APK you can download. What you need to do is to scroll down and then you have to then click on Alipay APK download for Android. Then it takes you to this particular page here. Next thing you want to do is to click on download. Then next thing you need to do is to click on open. This type of file can harm your device. Do you want to keep Alipay APK anyway? Click on OK. Then you can see the APK has been entered the phone. Next thing I'm going to do is to click on open right here. Okay, let's head over to my folder. So I'm going to click on my file manager right here. Then you can see the APK right here. But if you can't see it right here, just go to your download folder. Then you have it here. Next thing you want to do is to make sure you click on the APK. Then click on install. Then click on open. Do you want to install this app? You can click on install. But in some cases, if you don't see this pump up like this, next you can come to the search engine right here and make you click on search, then type in Alipay. Then search. You are going to see it right here. So you can do either of the two. So I'm going to click on Alipay. So you see we finally come back right. Next thing we want to do is to make sure we click on install. You choose to download over Wi-Fi only. Do you want to install this app? Just click on install. It's going to cost about 123 megabytes. So install. Allow access to your phone storage so we can download and install. Just click on OK. Then click on allow. So the download folder, prepare, install right here. Okay. All right, so after a successful download and install, it's going to ask for a permission. Just click on settings, then click on allow. Okay, then you can go back to the app. Next thing you want to do is to make sure you click on install. So the installation is going to prepare just like what you see right here. So you can see the app has been successfully installed. Okay, next thing we can do now is to exit from here, and you are going to see the Alipay app on your phone screen right here. Okay, so that is how to download the Alipay app. Okay,